Singapore's Chief Public Prosecutor, the Attorney General, is considering if extraterritorial legislation could be introduced to deal with the recurring haze problem. Speaking in Parliament during question time, Law and Foreign Affairs Minister Shanmugam says he has asked the AG to study the possibility of introducing legislation and to consider what legal options are available if credible and usable evidence is received that Singapore-linked companies are involved. He added that the primary responsibility for taking action against the companies lies with Indonesia. The minister also emphasised the importance of ensuring that tensions are not created between Singapore and Indonesia in dealing with the haze problem.
Several members of parliament said Singaporeans have been facing the haze problem for the past 16 years. In 1997, the PSI reached a high of 226. Several MPs asked if citizens are expected to put up with the toxic air year after year and if pressure can be brought to bear on Indonesia. Minister Shanmugam said it is important to focus on cooperation and to persuade neighbours to work together to put in place a long-term solution.
International relations have to be handled delicately. Singaporeans' interests are primary. We will take that as our primary goal. Where we raise it, when we raise it, how we raise it, whether issues of international law get involved, we have worked out the options. But I don't think it is very fruitful to come out and talk about them in great detail. It will create more tension.
On its part, the Indonesian government has said it will be submitting the ASEAN Agreement on Transboundary Haze Pollution to the Indonesian House of Representatives for ratification soon. Regionally, ASEAN's foreign ministers have agreed on a trilateral cooperation process to tackle the haze on the ground. Mr. Shanmugam says their efforts will be reported to the ASEAN leaders at their next summit in Brunei in October.